Have you ever wondered why craftsmen sometimes prefer miniature tools over standard ones? The reason is simple: in tight spaces, compact technology really shines. These tools are lightweight without giving up power, comfortable without losing efficiency, and most importantly, they give you the freedom to work wherever and however you need. Today, we're taking a look at tools that might just change how you think about compact gear. Ready? Then let's get it on. The Wolfcraft Trapezium knife features a pro-sharp trapezoidal blade that cuts up to 30% better than a standard one. Thanks to the magnetic guide, it stays steady even under heavy pressure. The blade slider is centered, and the smart design makes it comfortable for left-handed users. For added safety, the blade retracts automatically. It's also great for cutting plastic and carpet. The knife costs $20. The team behind Tower Spin is betting you'll carry this screwdriver everywhere. And why not? The starter kit costs just $39 and includes 10 bits and 10 drill heads. Plus, the handle spins like a fidget toy, making it surprisingly fun and incredibly functional in tight spots. This tool is a bricklayer's secret weapon for creating flawless joints with perfect depth. Even beginners can get pro-level results on the first try, which means happy clients all around. The tool sells for $41. Barco's cordless pruning shears are a game changer. For gardeners, they come with 2 rechargeable batteries for a total of 6 hours of runtime. Handle branches, twigs, and vines up to 26 millimeters thick with ease. And they're comfortable for both right and left-handed users. This tool is priced at $309. This compact grinder from Milwaukee's M12 line is easy to use with one hand, and its smart design lets you grip it close to the workpiece for better control. It offers 12 speed settings from 5,000 to 27,500 RPM and weighs just 360 grams. This tool costs $358. Tough-built carpet knife turns carpet cutting into a craft. The fixed blade ensures perfectly straight cuts. And don't worry if it gets dull. There are 5 spare blades stored in the handle, and they can be swapped out without tools. Plus, the smart design helps prevent accidental finger scrapes. This knife costs $13. Grizzly has a great fit for woodworkers in small workshops. This dust collector is super compact, just 91 centimeters long with the bag, but it captures particles 28 times finer than human hair and pulls in about 15 cubic meters of air every minute. It costs $175. Woodworkers will also appreciate this mini square set. It sells for $120 and helps with tasks like checking dovetailed joints. This mini double-edged trimmer from Galmer is another impressive tool. For just $9, it makes chamfering easy. No more splinters or uneven edges. If you own a car, hit that like button. We picked this tester just for you. It helps check your brake fluid, specifically the moisture level. It works with .3, .4, and .5.1 brake fluids, and has an accuracy of plus or minus 0.3%. The price is $14. The CapPro 3.2 Square is a great balance between price and quality. For $30, you get a cast zinc body and a stainless steel ruler. It includes both imperial and metric measurements, and the magnetic lock means you don't have to mess with screws. This saw bundle, including two batteries and 8 blades, costs just $70. But it's tough enough to handle metal, up to 15 millimeters thick. The well-designed grip makes it comfortable to use, one-handed for extended periods. This 30-centimeter scraper makes quick work of wallpaper, paint, and lacquer coatings. It fits standard segmented blades, measuring 18 by 100 millimeters and costs $11. The Beaver Groover is built for cutting precise grooves in linoleum, vinyl, and similar even form, right up to the wall. You can adjust the depth of the groove, and the tough but lightweight aluminum body helps reduce strain on your hands. This tool costs $400. The Zircon Wood Stud Super Scanner is a wall scanner that detects wooden studs while avoiding metal and plastic obstacles like pipes, fasteners, and wiring. It costs $62. This miniature tool offers a lot of possibilities. It may look like a toy, but this glue gun is powerful enough to bond paper and fabric as well as wood, glass, and even metal. Not bad for a $15 glue gun. This dust collector from Castaway is so small. It fits in your pocket, but unlike similar products, it has an aluminum body and up to 9 holes, which are especially handy when you're changing drill bits often. It costs $18. This Bosch laser level self levels within plus or minus 4 degrees in just 4 seconds. It runs on a rechargeable battery or for double of batteries. The standard range is 30 meters, but with a receiver it extends to 100. You can get this level for $749. This knife is a dream come true for modelers, artists, and crafters. It comes with 11 blades and 19 blades, and it's suitable for plastic, cardboard, vinyl, and more. An essential tool when every detail matters. This compact angle grinder from Milwaukee can cut sand and scrape in places most tools can't even reach. It's only 12 centimeters long. The brushless Power State motor delivers smooth performance without sacrificing power, and the ergonomic grip keeps you comfortable. Even on long jobs, this little powerhouse costs $336. The Snire blower looks like a hairdryer that bulked up, but it performs just as well as many larger models. It reaches speeds of 300,000 RPM and blasts air at 89 meters per second. Leaves sand and snow don't stand a chance. And it's great for starting a campfire too. It costs $60. This Tolson attachment is a lifesaver when you need to screw or drill at a 90-degree angle in tight or awkward spots. It reaches speeds of up to 400 RPM with a torque of 15 Newton meters. No more compromise, just smooth, precise work exactly where you need it. Six speeds up to 18,000 RPM, and endless woodworking projects. That's what you get with the versatile Arbortech Power Sander. It handles everything from carving to sanding, and costs $279. The team at Strain Rise offers these wire strainers, which are handy for installing electric fences. They perform reliably even in wet conditions,